Hello YouTube, this is Sandeep. Welcome to my channel Sandeep Orchid. My today's topic is when to report a new orchid after purchasing. My viewers frequently ask me some questions, that is, when should I report a new orchid after purchasing? What is the right time? Shall I remove the coconut shell or pot with that coconut shell which I bought? Many questions are coming up here, so I am trying to solve these questions. In one of my earlier videos, I have told you that what precautions should you take after purchasing a new orchid. I shared its link in description box. Please check it out. And if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get new updates. Now I will show you when to report that plant. What is the right time? Here I want to say one thing, that is, you have to keep patience. Just wait and see. The right time will come. I have bought this plant just 2 months back. This is Samburkia Tibesin. Came in this condition. You can see potted in coconut shell with a net pot. Most of the nurseries send their plants potted with this type of coconut shell because it is an easy way to export, and also it's a lightweight material. It's easy for them because they grow same type of plant in huge quantities under same shade, same light condition, same water requirement, so they can maintain well. But as a hobbyist, I can say it's difficult. A hobbyist grows various types of plants in a same set like Dendrobium, Cattleya, Phalaenopsis, Vanda. They are all different genus of orchids. Their requirements is not same. So you have option in your hand that you should change the potting mix according to your climate, your water practice and plant requirements. I will not report with coconut husk because coconut husk hold excess water, and excess water will increase the chances of root rot. It decomposes very quickly. It enhances the chances of fungal infections. So I don't use this media as a potting mix. It's a warm growing orchid. It needs bright sunlight like Cattleya. It needs medium water. I will use a good balanced fertilizer once a week. Now I am going to prepare potting mix for this plant. This is clinker. It's pine bark. You can use plain bark also instead of pine bark. This is charcoal. And last of all, this is clay balls. You can use small pieces of bricks instead of this. Now I will remove the pot. Press the pot gently from the outer side, then twist it and remove. Try to remove the coconut shell without breaking the roots. Some roots may be broken, but don't worry. Do it very gently. This is base portion of oldest cane. Try to remove the coconut shell very gently. After this, I will soak the roots in hydrogen peroxide solution for 15 minutes. So, what should be the main criteria for report a new orchid? We should report an orchid when they are in active growth, especially after blooming, when new shoots or leaves and new roots are begin to form. It's best to report an orchid when its new roots are leaves then few inches. You can see here is a new growth and cluster of roots are being to grow, so we can repot this plant in a new pot. Now it's time to mix all the mediums. Clay balls 40%, you can use bricks pieces instead of clay balls, and pine bark 10%. Instead of this you can use plain bark. 10% clinker, and last of all charcoal 40%. Mix the mediums. This is a well drainage medium. You can pot hybrid dendrobiums with this medium also. I am taking a clay pot. You can see holes for well drainage. These holes will help in air circulation in the roots. Now fill the pot with some of that potting mix. Then put the plant in the middle of the pot. And fill again with some mediums around the plant like this. Now it's ready. You can see the healthy roots, and last of all I will tag the plant. It is very important part for a grower for identification of that plant. I am using pencil here because it will not fade due to rain or sunlight. If you use pen instead of it, it can easily fade away. So I always use pencil for tagging a plant. Hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get more updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.